Next chapter. Are you with me? Let us continue. Are you enjoying the lessons? The mitochondria, the powerhouse, convert glucose and oxygen into what we call ATP, the energy currency, through cellular respiration. The mitochondria, the powerhouse, convert the glucose and oxygen into ATP, which means the energy currency through cellular respirator. Okay. They supply energy for all cellular process. We call the ribosomes, the protein factories. They have that. They have capacity to create or fabricate what we call protein. We call the ribosomes. Okay. Assembling amino acid into protein based on instruction from DNA, because DNA organize everything. He give instruction to everything. DNA, your DNA can organize and give instruction to everything. Are you getting what I'm talking about? It. That's very important for you to notice it. Endoplasmic reticulum, ER, the production line. ROC ER, synthesized protein. Smooth ER, produce the lipid and detoxify harmful substances. Is there again that diva come into picture? And then we have a Golgi apparatus, the distributor center. Wow, he just do the package. Okay, he do the package as the agents. He package and he start to send to the head, send to the leg, send to the ligament, send to every part on the pancreas. He send it every cells that is needed that day in the morning. This guy does that things. Wow, guys, that's a revelation, man. Oh God. Lysosome, recycling plant. They are programmed to recycle it. Break down the waste minerals and cellular debris using energy. Cell membrane, the gatekeeper. The cell membrane, they are gatekeeper. They are watchman. I told already, and I'm saying again. They are gatekeeper. They are watchman. They are all watching what is coming in when you go outside. That's their roles. Control what enter and exit the cells. Maintaining a stable internal environment. Cellular function that sustain life. Energy production and utilization. Through cellular respiration, glucose and oxygen are converted into ATP, powering everything from muscle contraction to the brain functions. Wow, that's their role. They control the brain function and muscle and contraction, everything. They control it. Wow, guys. Nutrient transplant, how the nutrient go to our body when we eat, how they filter, how they just get reproduce to work. Water, ions intercell through channel or transport protein in the cell membrane. Waste removal, waste product like carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide, urea are transported out of the cell for elimination, whether we go for the tool or we can urinate. All this a way for extracting them outside. we call in India number one, number two. I like that one. It's a coding, coding talk, so that not offends the feelings of some people. You say somebody they will do like that, number one, number two. I like that one. Cell division and reproductions. Mitosis ensure that new cells replace old or damaged ones, maintaining tissue health and growth, repair and adaptation. When injury, cell activate repair mechanism or regenerate to restore functionality. That's where Diva stem cell come into picture. Defense mechanism. Immune cell, like white blood cells, detect and destroy pathogens and foreign particles. Any particle that come in your body is a white cell that will have a power to defend and kick them out. They are like a shield. Are you getting what I'm talking about? They are like a David shield to protect you. Okay, you want to protect yourself, get the Diva, and then you are protected. 4. Cellular communication, the language of cells. I tell you that cells speak to us sometimes, but some of us, we are not paying attention to our cell. The cell talk. The cell, every day cell talk, every minute the cell talks. Okay, but we are not paying attention to the language of cells. Okay, here the language of cell. Cell communicate to the cell communicate to coordinate their activities and maintaining harmony. They communicate and they maintain harmony among themselves. The chemical signal, hormone, neurotransmitter, and cytokines act as a messenger between cells. They can send message between themselves. When your head is having problem, they send message to your feelings to tell something's wrong. Take care of yourself. But some of us, when the nature is calling you to go for toilet, you keep it before you realize. You come outside. The signal is there. It's sending you the message in your transmitter, neurotransmitter. It is time for you to go to the loo. Go for the loo. Go for the loo. One of my guys in one organization I worked for some time, he's traveling with the girls. He was having the urge to go for loo, but he refused to go because he was driving. He got ashamed because there are girls inside the car. Before he realized, his gallbladder had blasted inside and he died. Sometimes, don't be stupid, man. Girls also have a need, no? This is call of nature. When the call of nature, go for it. If it's number 2, go for number 2. If number 1, go for number 1. Don't keep it for so long. Because those toxins that in the body tell you, I want to go outside, and you are keeping the toxin in your body. That's why many people feel sick. Because they are not listening to the language of their body. They are not listening to the language of their body. That's why many people feel sick. Electrical signal. Nerves, cell transmitter informed through electrical impulsion. Okay? They do that one. Electrically, they send the impulsion. Okay? Surface makers. Okay? Surface makers. Cell recognize each other using protein on their membrane. Crucial for immune response and tissue organizations. Okay? Are you getting? Number 5. Specialized cells and their function. The red blood cell transport oxygen using the hemoglobin. Okay? Globin. White cell fight infection and heal wound. Nerve cell, neuron, transmit electrical signal for communication and reflection. Okay? Muscle cell regenerate force and movement. That's why I push you to walk around. You need all these organs to help you to be a functional person or not. You are the robot. The stem cell undifferentiated cell that can become specialized to repair, regenerate, and tissue. Because they are the stem cell only that they can organize those things and sell each one from your head, from your neuron, from every part of your muscle and everything. They send those things because they have a power to do that. The stem cell. That's why we come into picture. Diva secret stem cell is a power. 6. The role of stem cell in regeneration. Stem cells are like the body repair system. They are the body repair system, stem cell. They can divide indefinitely and differentiate into various cell types. Function in bones, marrow, skin, and other tissue. They play a critical role in healing injury, replacing damaged cells. Okay, that's why Diva cell come into picture. The cell process that keep us alive. Are you getting? Metabolism and combination of anabolic building up and